Transportation related to material and motion related to human being, মানে operator. If there is unnecessary motion, that is also a waste in lean methodology. Any movement of man that is not necessary to the successful completion of the task. This type of waste is generally happen because of poor 5S activity in shop. In shop floor or in any office situation, if 5S is not done properly, what will happen? One material is needed, so everybody is now searching. So that is a movement, that is a waste. So searching is the biggest form of motion waste. Searching for information, looking for correct file, person, tool, emails, document, etc. So this is the biggest waste. Searching. Okay. So causes of motion waste is work area layout, pixel design, material storage, and I think poor 5S also is the main cause. Waiting, it is already understood. If somebody is waiting for something to come and then I will produce, that is a waste of time. Generally, it happens when there is a sudden breakdown of machinery or inadequate supply of material or information. Suppose drawing is not there, or drawing is there but some detail is missing, so you are waiting for that detail to come. So that is a waste. Overproduction. This is very interesting. In traditional production method, we generally feel that overproduction is very good. I have produced more than our target, so I am very happy that it is very good for the company. But in lean methodology, overproduction is also a waste. Whatever is the requirement of downstream section, you have to produce that much only, not more, not less.
I think for GRC it is protected.
It is not happening. It is not happening. That's why blocks are lying there.
Yes.
For 6 months, 8 months, blocks are lying there. Because we are basically thinking that producing more is bad, good for a company. But it is actually bad. It is actually bad because by producing more, we are locking our capital. Capital in the form of material, in the form of labor, in the form of space also. Since GRS is having abundant space, so that's why space is not at all a problem for us. But in Western countries where space is the problem, this is very in Japan also space is the big issue. That's why overproduction is a big waste. Okay. Overprocessing, it is also interesting. In our fabrication shop, we are also doing this. That look, this is the requirement. We have done more. Dry survey, we are doing more. Even in the area where there will be insulation, we are doing good dry survey. And our quality people also, you have to do dry survey. Whatever you do, they will not satisfy. They will ask for more. So that is called over processing. So whatever is required, you have to do that much only. Providing or creating more than the customer want is the over processing. In GRC, this over production and over processing is very evident. You can see everywhere. Defect is known. Waste. I think everybody know defect. If there is any defect, that will be a waste because rework will be there, more time will be needed. Okay, but inspection, interesting. Inspection is also a waste because In inspection, what will happen? What happen? You are inspecting something and you are finding the fault. After finding the fault, you have to correct it. That is a waste of time. Okay, your schedule will be totally jeopardized. So, in Lean, the system is made in such a way that is called Jidoka. That quality is inbuilt into the system. If there is any defect in one workstation, that will be identified in that workstation, and that product will be separated from the rest. So the work will flow only, good material will flow in the value stream. There will be no defective material. So quality is inbuilt into the system. So inspection is a full inspection department is a waste.
Quality control should be.
Yeah.
Quality assurance. Quality control.
And this is the final one, and this is not given by Taichi Ono. Skill or talent underutilization. If we underutilize our talent or our operator's talent, that is also a waste. It is a potential waste. If we underutilize, if suppose some operator is working and we are instructing them that you have to do whatever I will tell you, then what? He will not use his brain. So साहब जो बोलेगा वही करेंगे. अगर उसको ऐसा बुलाया जाए कि तुम को जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ करो, साथ में तुम अपना भी माइंड लगाओ, कुछ अगर कुछ इनोवेटिव आइडिया आता है तो हमको करो, तुम इनोवेटिव आइडिया इंप्लीमेंट करो सभी के लिए, एवरी स्केल में. सो इनोवेटिव कल्चर अगर डेवलप होगा तो क्या होगा, उससे नया नया इन्वेंशन होगा, नया नया इनोवेशन आएगा. तो अगर ऐसा नहीं होता है, अगर टैलेंट अंडर यूटिलाइज है, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो अ. So there is some exercise. So one by one we have to identify which type of waste is there. Changeover of roller for side change. Suppose there is a production system where roller is to be changed because there is a side change, product side change. So what type of waste is it? Anyone? Changeover of roller for side change.
Transport.
Waiting. The operator will wait. Waiting waste. Downgrading of materials due to non-conformance of specification. Specification तुमने meet नहीं किया, तुम्हारा material downgrade हो गया. What type of waste? Defect. Good. Production halted as finished material could not be removed from the plant. Material finish हो गया, लेकिन plant में ही पड़ा है. Overproduction. Vehicle ready for loading the material, but material not cleared by QC.
Inspection.
Defect. Delay in unloading of material from rake. Delay. Waiting. Wait कर रहा है ना. Transit damage and rusting of material. यह delay का. Underweight complaint from customer. Customer से complaint आया underweight है product. It is a defect. Control room is 100 meters from the plant. Associated need for work. Associates need to work. Motion. Yes, it is a motion waste. Operation affected by non-availability of crane. Crane नहीं है. हम लोग अभी बताइए. Waiting. Contract worker falls off from a height due to non-adherence of SOP. क्या हो गया? SOP फॉलो नहीं किया और गिर गया. सेफ्टी. SOP फॉलो नहीं किया ना, तो फॉलो नहीं किया तो डिफेक्ट होगा ना. SOP फॉलो नहीं किया, उसके लिए उसका इंजरी आया. अब इसको ये भी होगा कि उसकी वजह से प्रोडक्शन पे हॉल्ट हो गया, वेटिंग भी हो सकता है, प्रोडक्शन हॉल्ट हो गया, आदमी गिर गया तो सब उधर चला गया. Mix-up of different grades of material. Different grade mix हो गया. ये हम लोग का ऐसे नहीं होगा प्रैक्टिकल, दूसरा किसी
इवेंट में
मिक्सअप हो गया ना. मिक्सअप हो गया तो क्या होगा?
Transport.
मिक्सअप हो जाने से क्या होगा कि आपको मटेरियल को सर्च करना पड़ रहा है. एक डिफेक्ट और दूसरा वेटिंग. डिफेक्ट हुआ है क्या? डिफेक्ट ये है कि मिक्सअप हो गया, ये डिफेक्ट है. और उसको फिर से वापस निकालने के लिए तुमको मोशन भी करना पड़ेगा और फिर वेटिंग भी रखना पड़ेगा. Material produced but not being lifted by marking and sales team. Material produce होके पड़ा है इन्वेंटरी. मटेरियल यूज होके प्लांट में ही पड़ा है, उसको ले जाने वाला कोई नहीं. स्टीम लीकिंग फ्रॉम द पाइपलाइंस. क्या हुआ? मल्टीपल अप्रूवल्स. फाइल में बहुत सारा सब जगह भेजो. ओवर प्रोसेस. बैच कंप्लीटेड बट वेटिंग टू बी रिमूव्ड टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेज. इन्वेंटरी. Employees walk several times between different floors to get data from for deliver motion. Time data stamp put on document but never used. It is not used but it is given, so it is over. Employees getting burnt out and stop giving suggestion. Good again.
Skill underutilized.
Skill underutilized. Expired supplies such as medicine for disposal.
Inventory. नहीं होगा.
Expired material है ना.
तो उसको यूज नहीं किया, बड़ा सा.
Expired supplies such as medicine for disposal. It is inventory. Too many leaflets printed for publicity of a new product. Over processing.
और प्रोसेसिंग
क्योंकि तुमने ओवर प्रोसेस कर दिया, ज्यादा कर दिया. जितना चाहिए तो उससे ज्यादा प्रिंट करवा. रॉन्ग मेडिसिन एडमिनिस्ट्रेट. किसी तरह रॉन्ग मेडिसिन दे दिया. डिफेक्ट. रीइंबर्समेंट क्लेम डॉक्यूमेंट डिस्पैच विदाउट फुल सपोर्टिंग डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. ठीक है, ये भी डिफेक्ट है. तो उसको फिर वापस से देना पड़ेगा. इनवॉइसेस डिस्पैच टू रॉन्ग एड्रेस. डिफेक्ट. मेल रिटर्न टू ओरिजिन बाय कुरियर. घूम के वापस इधर आ गया. Claims processing goes through several hands located in different office spread across the region. Motion भी है plus over processing. बहुत सारा अप्रूवल लेना पड़ता है. ओके, सो आई थिंक वेस्ट के बारे में पूरा अंडरस्टैंड हो गया ना. ये एक्सरसाइज से किस टाइप का वेस्ट क्या होता है. नाउ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. 15 मिनट हो गए क्या? उसको नेक्स्ट करो. सो नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज 5 लीन थिंकिंग फंडामेंटल.